Start.
Yeah, alcohol. I think alcohol should be banned on the last 3 days of December and maybe the first day of January, because in the excuse of celebrating a new year, a lot of people consume alcohol more than they should. I think a celebration should be delinked from alcohol consumption. Today, there's a trend. There is a trend to link alcohol and intoxicants to anything to do with celebration, anything to do with holiday. So, in this new year, my recommendation is that let us learn to celebrate in an alternate way, which is devoid of consuming alcohol. When we innocently consume alcohol, in effect, what we are doing is we are endorsing that consumption of alcohol is something all right as a social etiquette. Well, it should be banned as a social etiquette and delinked from celebration, and people should not be seeing as endorsing any way of consuming alcohol except perhaps in medication. Or rather, alcohol consumption should be confined to somebody who is sick, who is not healthy, and alcohol should be seen as to be used only when somebody is not well and is really sick, and nobody wants to be seen as sick. And that is a good psychological intervention, that people learn to sever the link between consumption of alcohol and celebration. Consumption of alcohol perhaps mutates the mood in the mind of the person. Maybe it is a better experience, or at least it nullifies the difficult experiences or the difficult memories. So, in either way, the consumer of alcohol, he feels a little relief, either from his memory of the past of harshness or harsh experiences, or even a euphoria of lightness or clarity, which is not really existing, but yet the assumption can be there because of the intoxicant, which is the alcohol. So this combinedly gives him a hallucination that it is a pleasant experience, and once he experiences it, he categorizes the consumption of alcohol as a pleasant experience. Then his mind will reach out for more pleasant experiences, in effect meaning more consumption of alcohol. So it's very important to delink alcohol from celebrations. It is very important to not to endorse any form of consumption of alcohol. It's very important to show to people that alcohol consumption is in time of sickness as a medication, and also to know that alcohol impacts the mind. One, it creates a euphoria of lightness and goodness. Two, it nullifies or it discounts the harshness in the memory of the past experiences. So in either which way, giving a pleasant experience to the consumer starts consuming it once again, indulging in drinking alcohol once again, and a third time, and a 10th time, and a 20th time. And perhaps he becomes addicted to the consumption of the alcohol, and it becomes a habit. Now is a tough time because he will start expending much of his money into it, and his time, and perhaps even the communications that he makes while intoxicated may be harsh or irrelevant, or may give rise to further areas of challenges that he has to deal with in the future, and multiple areas of discomfort is caused because of consumption of alcohol. Therefore, in every which way, logically, medically, psychologically, and socially, it makes good sense, and even economically, it makes good sense to stray clear from any place that uses alcohol to stimulate the mind. Once a person becomes addicted, then his dependency increases, that without which his body, his physiology starts needing alcohol, needing some muscle relaxants or some soothing experience, a soothing experience in the physiology. which is a translation in the physiology of a mental state after consuming alcohol. Now, this gives rise to dependency. So, we are graduating from now a social drinker to a trend, to a fashion, maybe linked to celebration, and because it's endorsed, if not recommended, it's seen as legitimate. So, all these areas need attention, and a psychological intervention may tell you that whether you are just an habit, or are you addicted, or is your physiology also starting to get dependent on the consumption of alcohol. So these are area of extreme dangers, and this New Year season of 2013, the last 3 days of December, is a very good time to make a resolution that never ever touch alcohol drinks again. It is not severe or harsh. It is a necessity not only for you, just like how tobacco has become non-fashionable and almost eradicated from social circles and public places, so can alcohol take the same place and we can get a celebration free from alcohol and the society totally rid of alcohol, that people have more resources, more time, more energy, more thoughts, more progressive thoughts, and better relationships. All this can be possible in this as a resolution, if you make it a resolution in this 2014. So have alcohol free, very happy New Year celebrations.